Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Saraswat and I made a presentation on a AI project that I've made, which is advanced heart failure prediction. The introduction is that I've used various AI models, four AI models, and compared all of their accuracy and given which AI model predicts the best in terms of heart failure. So heart failure overview. Heart failure is a huge problem that the whole world is dealing with since many years, and it is very hard to predict a heart failure, occurrence of heart failure, and it requires a lot of tests by the doctor to predict this correctly. But with the recent advancements in the technology and the field of AI, I think this is a very good solution which can make the prediction of heart failure easier. So, let's talk about the details of the project now. I have used PCA, which is Principal Component Analysis. It enables us to reduce the features. So I have used a data set as well. I have not completed the project till now, but I've used a huge data set which has all the features which determine if a person is going to get a heart attack or not. And heart failure prediction is basically on the basis of those features. So the first thing before even using all the models is we have to reduce the features because there are a lot of features and we have to reduce the data set into only the features which actually have a certain effect on heart failure. So we all from the beginning we remove the features which have zero or minimum effect on heart failure. So for example, I have run this code once, and the features that came on the top were smoking and the gender of the person. These were used in the dataset, but I removed it through PCA and by using PCA. Now, these are the algorithms that I've used. There are four algorithms: decision tree, random forest, linear discriminant analysis, and stochastic gradient descent. So I could have used a lot more, and I will use in the future a lot more algorithms and compare all of them. But right now, till now, I have used these four and I've compared their accuracy basically and given in the last which algorithm is the best. Model evaluation. I have used model evaluation and predicted model leveraging PCA and extra trees. I've used PCA and compared basically in the last which model is giving the best accuracy. And as I've shown earlier, and from the test that I have run earlier, Random Forest was the best model and it gave an accuracy of 80%, 87%. And this is a groundbreaking accuracy for any model. You guys know that if you have some idea about AI and artificial intelligence, even 50, 60% accuracy in this time is good, but 87% accuracy in a heart failure predictor, I think it's very good. And this is what my project basically does. It's not just one model that I've used. I've used four models and I've compared. It is a comparative analysis, not a predicting model. So that's the difference between a lot of the projects and my project is that I'm not predicting something. I'm using four models and comparing their accuracy in the end and giving to you guys which is the best predictor for heart failure prediction. Conclusion In conclusion, our exploration in advanced predictive modeling techniques for heart failure has demonstrated the potential to significantly improve risk assessment and patient outcomes. This paves the way for further advancements in predictive analysis of cardiovascular health. So this is the conclusion. Basically, future advancements, I'm not saying this is the best model. This is going to change the medical studies of heart failure, but it is a step in the right direction and it will have a impact later on if I keep and people keep working on this in the coming years, in 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Even this model could be really big, really helpful, and can have a practical use 100%. I think so. That's why I've worked on this project. Thank you very much. Yep. Yep.